Fairmate, an Indian multinational giant, has solidified its reputation as a leading manufacturer of construction chemicals. Through their extensive range of affordable solutions and world-class services, they have garnered a strong customer base worldwide. Fairmate introduces FAIRSCREED SL. It is supplied as a 4-pack product, consisting of base, hardener, pigment paste, and aggregate, all pre-weighted and ready for mixing, designed to provide a hard-wearing, impervious, seamless flow finish which is hygienic and easy to clean. FAIRSCREED SL is typically applied at thickness of between 0.5 mm to 2 mm. FAIRSCREED SL is suitable for use in laboratories, pharmaceutical plants, hospitals, food preparation areas, electronics assembly factories, etc. Advantages of FAIRSCREED SL: fast and easy application, economical, very good adhesion to concrete, solvent-free, hygienic and easy to clean, excellent chemical resistance. For more information about product, please call toll-free 1-8001-234-534 or visit us at www.fairmate.com.